Hey guys, I'm Noah.
And I'm Israel.
And today we are making
Purple!
Israel, what's your favorite thing about spring?
That we get to stay home and be with our family.
That's good.
Mommy, what's your favorite thing about spring?
The warm weather, flowers, trees, and everything nature-like.
That's very nice.
What's your favorite summer food?
Soup.
Soup?
What's your favorite summer food?
Probably like sandwiches and like subs and like fish. Yeah.
My favorite activities in the spring is to like play.
My favorite is probably playing baseball.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Finish the sentence. Noah first. Springtime to me means blank.
Springtime to me means Easter. Jesus.
Beautiful. Noah, Israel, springtime to me means blank.
Springtime to me means summer.
Summer's coming? Yeah? Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do we love pickled eggs?
Me?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rather. I'm not gonna give like. It's not my favorite, but it's not my least favorite. So like 7.
You give pickled eggs a 7?
Yeah.
Israel, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like pickled eggs?
I haven't tried them, so I'm gonna say maybe a low percent.
A what?
5 and 5.
I haven't tried them.
Oh yeah.
I haven't tried them.
Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
Okay, so on today's excellent episode, we have got the kids here. Noah and I are going to work together and put together one of my favorite recipes. I grew up eating these every springtime in southern Appalachia, and then I shared them with Noah, and he's like the only person in the house who also likes them. So this is going to be one of those divided things. Do you love them or do you hate them? Either way, we hope you stick around and watch us make them. I'm going to show y'all how to make some pickled eggs. They're just purple, so she calls them purple eggs. Yep. Super simple ingredients. This will take us no time, and you will have one of the best southern springtime foods. And considering the price of eggs right now, this is worth its weight in gold, okay? Pickled eggs were created in Europe in the 19th century. However, when they made their way to America, it was the Amish who then added beets to them and gave them their color. So let's go over our ingredients and then we'll go from there. There's 2 dozen eggs. There's 4 cans of sliced beets. I have 2 cups of water, 2 cups of distilled vinegar, and 2 cups of sugar. Okay? So, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
All right. So your first step is going to be, we're going to take these eggs and we're going to boil them. Grab that pot, Noah. And the two of you all very gently put these in that pot. Don't break them. Don't break them. One at a time, please. No one needs to be a hero. That is precious merchandise you're dealing.
Don't do it fast. Don't touch them.
Water.
Okay, now before we put water in these, cover them in water. Everybody has a plan or what they do that they say it helps their eggs not stick, right? So this is something I've done for years and it just seems to work. You can either put like a cap full of oil in your water or just some kosher salt. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to coat them in kosher salt and now fill this up with water. And as they cook, the shell will separate from the egg. Have to be completely covered.
I know, that's why I'm trying to.
Okay, great. Noah, over to the stove, please.
Very careful, please.
All right, we're going to get these to a boil, and you're going to boil these for a while. Rule of thumb: when somebody says, "How long do you boil your eggs?" you always boil them until you go, "Oh my goodness, my eggs!" Got it? All right. So listen, probably 12 to 14 minutes. We'll come back when they're well done. You'll start to see they'll kind of crack on the shell. That's when you know we're ready to go.
This year, make unforgettable memories with Family Time RV Rentals in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation, Family Time RVs brings the beach to you. Book your Myrtle Beach RV ocean stay today.
If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at adairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
Okay, so now while we've got that boiling, we're going to put this also on the pot. Now it's got 2 cups of sugar, and we've got 2 cups of distilled vinegar, 2 cups of water, and then to that I'm also going to take my 4 cans of beets. I'm going to keep my beets inside and pour the beet juice inside that as well. I'm going to just mix the sugar into the vinegar, water, beet juice combination. And once it's kind of up and off the bottom, I'm going to put this on the stove and to boil, and we're just going to make sure that sugar gets melted into the liquid. When all that's good and combined, it's ready to go. Okay, it's on medium to high heat. And we're just going to keep an eye on it, stir it occasionally, just till that sugar melts down. Our eggs are officially boiled. Now we're going to take these over to the sink. All right, I'm going to cover these in some cold water, rinse them off real good, and then we're going to have Noah peel them for us. Let's get the bulk of this hot water out. There we go.
Just a little
When
bit.
you peel them, once you get the peel off, be very careful. Once you get the peel off, rinse it really good and put them all in here. Okay.
This smells salty.
Okay, so as we peeled the eggs, we just kind of put them in this container. And now I'm just going to take these beets and dump them in.
Just leave it now.
I'm just going to kind of work these in, try not to mess up my eggs. In a perfect world, I would have layered these. This world is not perfect. Put some more. All right, now follow me over to the sink, where I'm then going to take our mixture that we boiled down and just pour right over top of these eggs.
Is it hot? Done.
It's probably not like too hot to touch. Okay. And really that's it. I will maybe just kind of work these down. And then what we'll do is we'll refrigerate these for 24 hours. And we'll come back tomorrow and see what they look like. Okay? See you in the morning.
In the morning.
This year, make unforgettable memories with Family Time RV Rentals in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation, Family Time RVs brings the beach to you. Book your Myrtle Beach RV ocean stay today. If you would like to advertise your business during an episode of Addair's Farmhouse, feel free to email addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
All right. It has officially been 24 hours, and we are about to try our pickled eggs. So, I'm going to pull this out. This has been refrigerating all night. And I'm going to take these big grill tongs because I couldn't find the regular ones. We're going to surf around in here, pour
There's one
an
right there,
egg.
yeah.
Here's our egg. Here's our egg. I'm gonna cut it. There we go.
It looks
Now,
green, but
I like mine with a little salt.
here I'll do my liking.
Do you
Yes.
want salt?
Yeah. 3.
Dun, dun, dun,
Two.
dun, dun, dun.
They're good.
The longer this sits, the better it'll be. Also, when we eat all the eggs out of this, I can keep this same mixture. Oh, at least one more time. Just boil some more. throw them in there. So there you go. There's some good old southern pickled eggs. Happy spring and Easter and all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.